Hi, Arlene with Remax Vantage, and I am bringing you a reminder that this weekend and Saturday and Sunday, March 6 and 7, we're going to be having an open house here in St. Cloud. So I want to show you a little bit more about this property. As you can see, it's brand new. They're ready to go. This is 1,802 square feet. 1802 is the square feet for it. 2-car garage. Come on, follow me. I want you to see how beautiful and how spacious this property is. It is super affordable, and for the area, it's one of the cheapest ones you'll find that I have found. Brand new and ready to go. You still can buy at the interest rates that are available. So you need to buy before the interest rates go up. So remember, open house this Saturday and Sunday coming up March 6 and 7. Let me show you more. Spacious kitchen, granite counters already. It comes with it. No need to upgrade. Also, what you see is the appliances that comes with the property. Nice size pantry, because we all love a nice big pantry, especially if you like to entertain, cook, or just store stuff. Doesn't matter. You really don't have to cook. And over here, this is the master. It comes up with carpet. As you can see, this is what you will get. The bathroom. Big and spacious, because we all need one, but guess what? The closet. It is a very nice big one. All right, so let me show you more. The wet areas are going to come with the flooring that you see, which is vinyl and carpet. You have a nice porch on the roof that you can, I don't know, have your coffee in the morning or your wine in the afternoon if you're like me, a wine person. You have 3 more bedrooms. That means this is a 4-bedroom home. They're great sizes as well as the closets. This is something you need to maybe take a peek and look. Laundry room. This is spacious. Actually, there's space for cabinets if you want cabinets. And there's definitely space. So you have here your second bathroom. And your other 2 rooms. The one and the other one is on the other side. They're about the same size. I've showed it to you so nobody can tell you about it. So, how about if you come and join me this Saturday and Sunday, March 6 and 7 off Jones Road in Narcoossee, we have an open house event, me and Pablo, where we can't wait to see you. So if you know someone who's looking for an affordable home that is ready and you can still buy brand new, here's the one. So see you Saturday and Sunday. Tell your friends, come see me. Bye.